Here's a Spanish remedy that will take care of your joints. It's a recipe passed down in my family for generations. You only need a few secret ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Grab a large jar. This will be the container for our mixture. The first ingredient is avocado. Its properties are very valuable. The pulp, rich in oils, softens and nourishes wonderfully. Grate it and place it at the bottom of the jar. It should fill about half the volume. The next ingredient is thyme. Add about 6 tablespoons. This aromatic herb has long been valued for its warming effect, its ability to support healthy flow, and its protection against microbes. Now it's time for rosemary. Take a few sprigs, strip off the leaves, and add them to the jar. Rosemary stimulates, strengthens, and refreshes, while its aroma adds brightness to the mixture. Finally, add dried hibiscus flowers. They have many valuable properties: anti-inflammatory, improving flow, and supporting natural regeneration. Put them in the jar, then pour alcohol over the whole mixture. Seal the jar and let it sit so the ingredients can blend and release their power. After about 2 hours, strain the liquid through a sieve and some gauze. Massage the ready mixture into your knees, ankles, hips, or wrists. Your joints will move more smoothly, and you'll feel a pleasant sense of relaxation. A simple, natural method that has helped my family for generations.